Hello, all. On this beautiful day, where all around the world celebrate one of the most amazing humanitarians, Nelson Mandela, and all those who have worked hard to assist humans in all living to reach the pinnacle of their happiness. How about making a commitment, not just 67 minutes, but 67 years, every day, every today, to be thankful, to be mindful, to be true, to be aware. How about every today, before you go to bed, you're thankful, you do a dance in your mattress, wherever you sleep, do a little dance. Dance to you in celebration of the day, in celebration of your heartbeat, in celebration of your heart. When you see somebody who is struggling, don't just give them things. Take time to talk to them. Know their plight. A lot of people just need that compassion, that recognition and remembrance of saying, you see me, you see me. Let's plant. Let's fill the pavements with fruit.